A 2018 Ford F-150 LMSE off-road package. Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford, your off-road truck dealership in the middle of Kansas, bringing you another custom truck build by McArthur Ford's aftermarket department. So this is a great truck, more of a luxury looking off-road edition here, but we're going to go ahead and talk about all the components that were put on this package. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, the LMSE package is a package that was thought of by our aftermarket team here at McArthur, and they worked with DSI to come up with a really great package. Now, they're all going to be based off your XLT trim 302A equipment group. That's their luxury equipment group for your XLT. And for a full walk-around video on the standard as well as optional equipment on that for that package, I ask you to refer to our video on our YouTube channel under the 2018 Ford F-150 playlist, or even on our website under the video library. You can check it out there in full, watch that full video. I am going to show you some of the highlights from that luxury equipment group that I think you'll really find valuable. Now, this package, we kind of call it a luxury or a special edition package because this 302A is going to come standard with your XLT chrome appearance package. So you're going to see the nice chrome accents here on the front grille. The front and back bumpers are going to be chrome as well. You're going to get your chrome step bars on the side and your chrome door handles. So of course, nice chrome accents around the vehicle. So that's why we like to call it the luxury equipment group here. Also, it's going to come standard with your fog lights as part of this package. You're going to get your power heated mirrors. Also in the back, you're going to get the rear defrost with power sliding rear window on that back glass there. You're also going to get reverse sensing with rear view camera as standard equipment. Don't forget about the tow hitch, that class 4 receiver hitch on it as well. We went ahead and threw in as optional equipment all these, the tailgate step. Makes it a little bit easier to get in and out of the truck, and we love how this works, how everything comes right out of the top of that tailgate. Also inside, it's going to come standard with your bucket seats with console that are heated as well. Sync 3 system. It's a 3rd generation voice enhanced recognition system as part of the luxury equipment group. We went ahead and threw in as optional equipment on all these, the navigation. So you have that pinch and zoom capabilities with Sirius XM traffic and travel link. And we're going to also throw in the twin panel moonroof as optional equipment on these with the power sunshade. So as you can tell, a really nicely equipped XLT luxury equipment group. Then we sent this truck off to DSI, and they're the ones that put a nice Pro Comp 2-inch level kit on this. So levels that truck out, give it a nice stance to it, and some good clearance for some nice wheels and tires. Now let's talk about wheels for a second. We decided to go with these XD brand Mammoth chrome wheels on this. They're a 20-inch chrome wheel. We love the design. We thought it'd go real nicely with this XLT chrome appearance package. The tires are a Nitto brand Terra Grappler G2 tire, 305 55 R20, nice wide all-terrain tire, and having that little wide tire kind of helps us out because we wanted to put these nice fender flares on it. They are Buchwacker brand, painted to match fender flares. So when I say painted to match, this exterior color is that ruby red tinted metallic. So it's going to get that same paint on the fender flares as well. Our body shop are certified Ford OEM waterborne paint distributor, so we're able to go ahead and paint that to match perfectly. We kept the bolts, the chrome, because it would look nicely with this. Our LMX4 package, we went ahead and painted those bolts black. In this case, we kept them those chrome here. Of course, it does have your chrome bumpers and door handles on the side. We are a Sunguard certified dealer, so we did put Sunguard window tint on the front windows. I think they're a 35% is what they told me, so it has a nice look here on the side of it. We're also a certified Rhino liner dealer, so we do have the Rhino Pro spray and liner in here. They do a good job with that. They take off those tow hooks as well as the LED box lighting, sprayed in real nicely, put everything back into position, and just a great look to it. And they do a good job on these Rhino liners in here. Also, to finish it off, we need some nice graphics for this package, so you know it's an LMSE package. So we worked with our aftermarket department, worked with our graphics company here locally to come up with these nice decals with the LMSE on the side, and then we have a smaller version on the windshield as well. Of course, on the interior we did something as well. Now this does come with your buckets with the powered seats over here with the heated seats. So let's go ahead and add some nice custom leather seats to this. While it's in Kansas City getting that lift kit put on, or the level kit, we went ahead and sent it over to Top King. And Top King put these custom leather seats in these. They're their signature series leather seats. Great two-tone. They're the desert with the ebony two-tone seats with the quilted bolsters as well. Nice look to these. Nice white stitching on it. with those embroidered backrests for those front seats. Those are custom embroidering on put on each one of these. So great, nice leather seats, and since I'll have heated seats, that'll be real nicely for you. They also do the same thing with the console cover, as you can see. So it's not going to be the black console cover. It is going to be, it was leather trimmed as well with the stitching on it, the two-tone too. So it just looks gorgeous in here with this. I love this configuration here. Also, all-weather mats. You're going to need those. So WeatherTech brand, tray-like, all-weather mats in here. They're going to be in the footwells and the front seats, as well as the back seat. The one that's going to go clear across back there, covering up the back of it. Now you're also going to get a Hypertech speedometer recalibration kit, as well as a 4-wheel alignment with this. Once we put the level kit on, wheels and tires, we want to make sure it's good to go and everything's recalibrated for you. So that's going to be included as well. And then from DSI, you're going to get a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all the components they put on it, as well as Top King's going to protect the seats, and then of course Ford factory warranty on the rest of the truck. So again, you're really protected. It's going to be a great package. I think you're going to really like it. This year it's limited to only 6 vehicles with this package on it. So definitely a limited run and a very hard to find one-of-a-kind truck. So if you're looking for something like this, maybe you're looking for an LMX4, which is more of a sport look off-road package. We have some of those as well, 6 of those in stock, and look for that video. I'll reference it into this, as well as you can find it on our website under that video library. So a great package here. Look on our website, lawmacarthur.com. They're in each one of our vehicles. You can check for availability, schedule a test drive, you can see pictures, and a 360-degree walk around. It's a VR experience, an outside as well as an inside perspective on each one of our vehicles. So definitely check that out. Under our new inventory, you can find our off-road inventory. All these trucks will be located there, as well as under our aftermarket tab, you can check out the different videos under there as well for our different other trucks. Now, if you're looking for something like this, maybe you want a Lariat, or maybe you want a Platinum or King Ranch, we can do that as well with this package. So we can customize it exactly how you want. Maybe you want some different wheels or something, we can do that for you as well. It is about a 3 to 4 week turnaround on this package when by the time we send it to DSI, as well as put some of our custom graphics on it. So we can come up with anything. If you don't want the graphics on the side, we can work with you as well. Aftermarket department loves coming up with some different customer created aftermarket ads to their trucks. So definitely reach out to us if you want to do that as well. Again, call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031. Also, you can call us toll-free, 1-800-874-6316. So I hope you enjoyed this video on this 2018 version of the LMSE off-road package. As always, if you're watching this on YouTube, you're going to get a special offer for us, and that is going to be free shipping on any one of our vehicles to you if you live within the 48 states and you finance a vehicle with us. So it is very transparent. The shipping is not free for us, but if you purchase a vehicle or finance it through one of our lenders, we get a little kickback from the lenders that can pay for some of that cost. So again, since we do sell our vehicles at invoice minus rebate, don't have a lot of extra coverage there, you can get a great deal on a great truck from a great dealership and get that free shipping, so you can ship it right to your door. So a great way to purchase a vehicle. I think you'll really like it. If you're interested in doing that, you can call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031, or you can call us toll-free, 1-800-874-6316. Like I said, we ordered 6 of these LMSEs, so very limited on how many we have. So check our website out for different colors if you want to get one of those. Or if we happen to be out, still reach out to us. We can get these added to the truck. We just decided just to go with 6 for this run, but we can always order other ones if we get through those and we have more customers wanting those. So definitely reach out to us. If this is the first time watching one of our videos, I ask that you subscribe to the channel. Go and hit that red subscribe button. That way you can get subscribed. Also, if you want to, hit that notification bell. That way you get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button for me. Lets other people know it's a great video and really helps out the video and the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comments down below. I will answer all those questions for you. If you'd rather reach out to me, you can on social media. I'm at Tim Bartz on Facebook or Twitter. And I love talking to people about their different trucks. Even if you don't get something with us, you just have some questions on something, reach out to me. I have a passion for the Ford and Lincoln product and love talking to customers out there and helping them out in any way I can. So definitely reach out to us. Again, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget about our free shipping. Reach out to us. You can get a great truck from a great dealership just like us. I think you'll really like it. So again, until the next video, we'll see you later.